Hello and welcome to another tutorial from Mary Creative Co. In this tutorial I want to show you how to create a striped patterns in Adobe Illustrator. Today we will create three different seamless patterns: a horizontal striped pattern, a vertical striped pattern and a diagonal striped pattern. Let's get started. Open Illustrator and create a new file. I'm going to use a 6 by 6 inches artboard, but definitely feel free to use any measurements that you want. Just make sure that your height and your width are exactly the same, that you have a square. Also, I'm going to create three artboards for each pattern. First, we are going to make a horizontal striped pattern. Choose the fill color that you want and remove the stroke. Let's create your first stripe with the help of the rectangle tool, M on your keyboard. Change to the selection tool, that is V on your keyboard, hold down the Shift and the Alt keys, click on the first stripe and drag it down and move the position right under the first stripe. Change the fill color of the second stripe that you create now and select both of them with the help of the selection tool. Press Ctrl G to group them or right-click Group. To create the pattern, select your shapes and go to Object, Pattern, Make. As you can see, we have a seamless pattern, so press Done to save it. And now you can see our new pattern is the swatches panel right here. Click on the pattern swatch and draw a rectangle or any other form. So this is your first seamless horizontal striped pattern. Let's continue. Now we are going to create a vertical striped pattern. Select the shape, right-click on it and go to Transform, Rotate. Enter 90 degrees next to the angle and click OK. And now drag it into the swatches panel. To test it, just click on the pattern swatch and apply it to a shape. So this is a nice seamless vertical striped pattern. And now we are going to create a diagonal striped pattern. For this, it's important to have a square artboard, mine is 6 by 6 inches. If you don't have a square right now, just click on the artboard tool and enter a new size. I'm going to use the line segment tool. And now we should remove the fill color and set a stroke color, and also increase the stroke. We are going to use the rotate tool again to rotate it to 45 degrees. Click OK to save it. Now move the line in the middle of the artboard and let's see that your line is larger than the artboard. Then move it in the upper left corner and go to Object, Transform, Move. We are going to move this line from the upper left corner to the lower right corner, so into the value that is the height and the width of your artboard. Mine is 6 by 6 inches, so into these values. Press Copy to move the line. We are going to create a diagonal pattern by using the Blend tool. Select both lines and then go to Object, Blend, Make. Or a shortcut Alt, Ctrl or Command B, or from the toolbar that is W on the keyboard. Double-click on the Blend tool to open the blend options. Make sure that spacing is set to specified steps, enter an odd number of steps and check the preview box to see the changes. Remember that the number is odd because you need a line which passes through the middle of your artboard. Press OK to save it. And now one of the important steps is to expand your shape. Go to Object, Expand. Make sure that all of the boxes are checked and press OK. Now we have lines with a stroke. Go to Object, Expand again and press OK. So now we have a fill color without a stroke. Now all we have left is to crop our pattern. Create a rectangle that is the same size of your artboard and go to the Align panel, open it from Window, Align and make sure that it's perfectly aligned to the artboard. Select shapes and using the Pathfinder tool from Window Pathfinder, crop the shape pressing on the crop button. And now you can put your pattern tile into the swatches panel. But firstly, let's add a background to it, because now we have a transparent background. Select the rectangle tool and choose the color. Click on the artboard and enter the size of your artboard. Mine is 6 by 6 inches. Also don't forget to align it again. Then go to Arrange, Send to Back, or you can use the shortcut Shift, Ctrl or Command, open bracket. Select both shapes and press Ctrl or Command G and drag them to the swatches panel. To test it, click on the swatch and draw a rectangle. So this is a seamless diagonal striped pattern. If you want to change the color of the stripes, double-click on the pattern swatch in the swatches panel, select one of the stripes and apply a new color. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See you, goodbye.